Hello students, in last lecture we have seen first three examples from problem set 3. First question was about multiple choice examples, then second and third example we have seen, then we will see now fourth example, explain fourth example, and we will solve fifth example. See the example. O is the center of the circle. Segment AB and segment EC are tangent segments. AB and EC are tangent drawn from exterior point A. Radius of circle is R. Radius is R. If we draw OB or OC, then there will be radius, and they are given as a radius that is small r. Prove that quadrilateral ABOC is square. We have to prove quadrilateral ABOC. If we draw here BO and OC, we get quadrilateral ABOC. We have to prove it as square. First, we know that AB congruent AC. Why? These are tangent segment drawn from exterior point. Then OB is equal to OC. Why? They are radii of the circle. That means in quadrilateral ABOC, all sides will be congruent, therefore it will be rhombus. Because length AB and length AC are also given as R, radius of the circle is also R, means AB is equal to AC is equal to BO is equal to OC is equal to R, means all sides congruent, therefore it will be rhombus. But angle B and angle C, angle ABO or angle ACO are 90 degree. If one angle of rhombus is right angle, then it is square. Therefore quadrilateral ABOC is square. In this way we can prove it. First, quadrilateral ABOC will be rhombus, then it will be square because one angle is right angle. Then we will see fifth example from problem set. See the example. In figure, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Quadrilateral ABCD is parallelogram. It circumscribes the circle with center T. This circle with center T is circumscribed by quadrilateral. Point EFGH are touching points of circle and quadrilateral. If AE is equal to 4.5, this AE is given as 4.5, EB is equal to 5.5. Find AD. We have to find side AB. Here AE is equal to 4.5 and EB is equal to 5.5. But we know AH is equal to AE is equal to 4.5. Then BF is equal to BE is equal to 5.5. The reason behind them is tangent segments drawn from exterior point or tangent segment theorem. It was tangent segment theorem that tangent drawn from exterior point of the circle are congruent. Now we will consider HD or DH is equal to DG is equal to X and CF is equal to CG is equal to Y. Quadrilateral ABCD is given as parallelogram. Therefore, AB is equal to figure AB is equal to CD. But what is reason? Opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent. Therefore, AB is AE plus EB is equal to CD. CD means CG plus DG. AE is 4.5 plus 5.5 is equal to CG Y and DG X. Therefore, X plus Y is equal to 10. We will give first number to this equation. Then also AD is equal to BC. These are also opposite sides of parallelogram. Therefore, AD is AH plus HD or DH is equal to BC, BF plus CF. AH 4.5 plus DH, that is X, is equal to BF 5.5 plus CF, it is Y. Therefore, X minus Y is equal to 5.5 minus 4.5. Therefore, X minus Y is equal to 1. Give second number to this equation. Now, adding equation 1 and 2. Therefore, X plus Y is equal to 10 plus X minus Y is equal to 1. Therefore, Y minus Y will be cancelled. 2X is equal to 11. Therefore, X is equal to 11 upon 2 is equal to 5.5. Therefore, DG is equal to 5.5. Then X plus Y is equal to 10. It is equation 1. Therefore, 5.5 plus Y is equal to 10. Therefore, Y is equal to 10 minus 5.5. Therefore, Y is equal to 4.5. Y means GC. GC is equal to 4.5. Therefore, CD we have to find AD or BC. Here DG is equal to 5.5. DG is equal to GH or DH, means it will be is equal to DH also. There is no need to find GC here. We know that we have to find AD. AD is equal to AH plus HD or DH. AH 4.5 and HD, that is DH 5.5, it will be equal to 10. Therefore, AD is equal to 10. We will read example first. In figure, circle with center M touches the circle with center N at point T. These are two internally touching circles touch each other in point T. Radius RM touches the smaller circle. This is RM is the radius of bigger circle touches the smaller circle at S. Radii of circles are 9 cm. Radius of larger circle is 9 and radius of smaller circle is 2.5. That is, if we draw here SN or TN, then it will be 2.5. find the answers of the following questions, and hence find the ratio of MS is to SR. Here first we have to find the length of segment MT. Here if we join point T, N and M, then it will also, Tm will also radius of the larger circle. First we have to find the length of segment MT. Segment MT, here segment MT is radius of larger circle, therefore segment MT equal to segment MR, that is radius of the circle, is equal to 9 centimeter. It is answer of first question, find the length of segment MT. Then find the length of segment MN. Here MT is equal to MN plus NT. Here MT is radius of larger circle, M, N, T are collinear, therefore it is 9. MN is the distance between centers of the circles, and NT is the radius of the smaller circle, that is 2.5. Therefore MN is equal to 9 minus 2.5. Therefore MN is equal to 6.5 centimeter. It is the answer of second question. Then question number 3 is find the measure of angle NSM. Find the measure of angle NSM. Here MS is tangent segment of smaller circle, NS is radius of smaller circle, therefore angle MSN or angle NSM is equal to 90 degree. It is tangent theorem, tangent perpendicular to radius. Now we have to also find the ratio of MS is to SR. MS is to SR. Triangle MSN is right angle triangle. In right angle triangle MSN, MS square plus SN square is equal to MN square. Therefore MS we have to find here MS. Therefore MS square plus SN 2.5 square is equal to MN. We have find MN as 6.5 is equal to 6.5 square. Therefore MS square is equal to 6.5 square minus 2.5 square. That is, we can use here a square minus b square, or we can square of 6.5 and 2.5. Square of 6.5 is 42.25 minus square of 2.5 is 6.25. The subtraction will be 36. ms square is equal to 36. Therefore, ms is equal to 6 centimeter. ms is equal to 6 centimeter. Then here point M, S and R in figure M, S, R are collinear. Therefore, MS plus SR is equal to MR. Reason: point M, S, R are collinear. MS 6, SR we have to find, and MR is the radius of larger circle, it is 9. Therefore, SR is equal to 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Therefore, SR is equal to 3. We have to find ratio of MS is to SR. Therefore, MS is to SR is equal to 6 is to 3. Therefore, MS is to SR is equal to 2 is to 1. This ratio is also asked in this example. That means we can solve the example in this way. Here in figure, see figure from textbook. In drawing the figure with sketch pen, it cannot be clear point to give. Next examples we will solve in next lecture. We have solved the examples up to example 6 from problem set. Solve all examples in your homework. Thank you.